In today's video, I'll show you how to disable WooCommerce on your WordPress site quickly and safely. This is useful if you're pausing your store, making changes, or simply don't need the plugin active for now. The process is simple, so let's walk through it. Let's start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, and it's where you'll manage all your site settings. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left and click on the Plugins section. From there, select Installed Plugins. This opens a full list of everything currently running on your site. Scroll through the list until you find WooCommerce. It's easy to spot since it usually appears near the top for most users. Right under the WooCommerce name, you'll see several options, including the one we need, which is deactivate. Go ahead and click deactivate. The moment you press that button, WooCommerce stops running on your site. All store features, checkout options, and product pages become inactive, but nothing is deleted. Your products, settings, and configurations remain safely stored so you can return to them anytime. This makes it perfect for temporary pauses or maintenance periods. Just keep in mind that once WooCommerce is deactivated, your store will no longer appear to visitors. So, if customers normally shop on your site, you may want to place a short notice or maintenance message to avoid confusion. And that's all it takes. WooCommerce is now disabled and you can reactivate it anytime by returning to the plugins page and clicking activate. WordPress makes plugin management smooth and flexible so you can adjust your store whenever your needs change. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tutorials.